Okay, guys, this is the next part of our spring break day out. This all took place over the course of one day. And again, this is near Warm Springs, but it's actually in Pine Mountain, Georgia. So this is a place called Dowdell's Knob. And it's a place that Franklin Delano Roosevelt used to basically hang out. He would go up there and grill out, and so you get to see his grill and all kinds of other stuff. It's an amazing view, very secluded, have to drive up a scary mountain to get there, but it was well worth it, and so I hope you enjoy.
Alright, so Dowdell's Knob, or something like that. I'll try and find the plaque. Yeah. Race you on the way down, shortcut.
There's no running.
Alright, scooch.
Baby, make sure that you're not looking through the camera. Make sure that you're looking at where you're actually at.
Uh-huh.
And don't go any further than that thing that's marking something. Don't go any further.
I'm gonna sit right there. Alright, so Franklin Delano Roosevelt loved to picnic here, and he had this grill built. It was filled in to preserve it.
So this was a grill, where he would grill out here. Oh my goodness.
I mean, can you really blame him?
Oh. Baby, take the steps. Don't be, baby. Steps, they're right here.
Cammy.
I see, but I still want you to take the steps. There's a lot of bugs. Holy cow. I didn't think bugs got up this high. I seriously just walked into like a slew of gnats.
Yep, me too. This is pretty cool though, just saying. Other than the gnats, it's pretty amazing.
Yeah,
And what is it? What is this thing called?
Dowdell's Knob.
Dowdell's. Alright, I mispronounced it earlier.
That's what you said earlier, I thought.
Well, either way, that's pretty nice.
There's no gnats right over here, though. For some
I'm
reason,
okay.
they're just in that corner.
Now, could you imagine being in a wheelchair right here?
No. I could not.
Because that's what he was doing.
That's a weird looking bug. It was one of the things that was flying a second ago, I think.
Hmm.
You see it?
Yep.
Looks like Deadpool.
Anyways, though, I see someone's ranch right out here.
Yeah, there's Callaway Gardens they say you can see from up here somewhere. But I don't know if it's from Dowdell's Knob or if it's from
A different
a
spot.
different area.
Well, I see this road right going through here. Also, that's pretty cool. Just saying. Like, this was definitely worth the drive. All right, so see how I stack up to this gent.
Yeah, he's supposed to be life size.
That's pretty cool. Just saying.
I bet that statue's hot.
Okay, so Dowdell's Knob, because I apparently can't pronounce things right. Okay, that's where old FDR used to grill out. Can't say I really blame him. Just saying. Okay, so it's another view. So the funny thing is, I never really realized we were on a mountain until all of a sudden I'm on, like, at the top.
Off the side.
Yeah.
There's a little area, like a little trail over here.
Yeah. And that's the thing.
Graffitied it.
Yeah.
Careful, there's glass. It's apparently where hoodlums hang out.
Well, this is
Where the hoodlums go.
Well, this is Makeout Pass, apparently.
far enough, baby. Oh,
Yeah. That is pretty cool. Just saying. It's worth stopping.